you got to hold hands. Alright, now, what's your name? Owen. Owen is this other compound. Over there, come on, stand right there. And you, young man, on the end there, okay. And this makes a big, long chain. No, you can't touch it. Okay? This is a foam. Okay? It's basically foam. And you find this in like seats and stuff at your house. And you can sit on it, and it actually gets really hard eventually. But so you get this long molecule, and the molecule then grows and makes something like this. All right?
The eye of Newt. Oh.
It's liquid. It's not an eye.
It takes much time to press.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Wait a minute. Here comes Bob. Wait.
Oh.
Bob.
You in there? We have created a monstrosity.
Alright, let's see if he's in there. Is he in there? Oh, yes, he is. We've got him. I've got him now. Yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's a tough one. We've got him. We've got him, though. See? We've got him right there. Whoop. There we go.